It's golden hour and the birds are chirping. Hey guys, welcome to another Merida vlog. This is Munchkin and we are going to a barbecue. So I thought I'd bring y'all along so you can see what life is like here as an expat. If you are wanting to come down and chill with other people and meet some other folk. We are in a new neighborhood too. Let me know if you want to see what 300 USD can get you here. We are not actually in Merida, we are in Cholula, or actually we're right between Cholula and Concal. And so this is a temporary housing situation for us, as I told you in one of the last videos that I am still will you stop moving around that I am still looking for a more permanent home for our family, but this is a temporary situation that my Spanish teacher had available, and so that's what this is. But I can show you what you can get for 300 USD if y'all are interested in another video. For now, Munchkin and I are going to a barbecue. This one also has a spring formal tomorrow, so we're gonna do a little bit of shopping. I'll take you along for that part as well. And then you can see her dress and, you know, all of the little fandangles them when we buy. Mr. Picnic expensive, you see? But anyway, I'm late. Of course I am. Let's go to the barbecue. Oh, by the way, I learned in Spanish class yesterday that barbecue does not translate literally in Spanish. So it depends on the type of picnic. I'm a video, I do all kind of manner of things. It really depends on what kind of meat they are having. So if it's like the one I'm going to is just like hot dogs and burgers and stuff like that. If it's that, it's what? Parrilla, something like that. And then if it's actual meat on the grill, then it's a carne asada kind of a situation. So let's go to this parrilla. I think I'm saying the word right. I hope I remembered. This is a little bit of an outfit check. I was really feeling my outfit. The shorts I purchased at a store here called Caruso, and the top at a store called Lineas, both in the Plaza Las Americas here in Merida. You're gonna see Caruso featured later on in the video because I took my mom there. It is a lovely kind of store that it's her style. I feel like she will like it, and so I took her there. And then this part here is just a teenager being a teenager. She is my videographer for most of this video. So enjoy all the little clips and B-roll of us getting ready to go to the barbecue. So we are here at the barbecue, and it's all the way out in Concal. And you guys know that I am in house hunting mode. So it does have me thinking, like, could I live all the way out here? Now, it's not far outside of Merida. It's probably a 20-minute drive to Merida North, and then another 20 minutes to, what is that, Centro? I don't go to Centro a lot, so that's fine. It's really my teen daughter who has me giving me pause from living way out of the peripheral, because her calendar, her schedule, boy, it's busier than for me. Me don't know how she have so much engagement. But anyway, the houses out here are nice. You can see that there's a lot of construction behind me. And they have this lovely park. It's golden hour, child. You can see that they have this lovely park out here with activities for the small kiddies, the babies. They have a skate park, a tennis court, and a basketball court as well for the teens and the older kiddies. And they have this lovely bike path that I'm standing on that goes all the way around. An older gentleman just came by. And so I'm really liking it out here. If I were to guess what the rents were, I would say anywhere between 15,000 pesos to 35,000 pesos, because that really depends on who your landlord is and who they are trying to market to. If there are 4 bedrooms out here, then I would say they're about 20 to 25,000 pesos. That's what I'm guessing, but I could be way off mark. I don't know. I did see one Serenta sign, so I am going to actually message them and see what they say, and I don't know if I'll get that in this video, but we'll see how it goes. But it feels good to just be at a barbecue with other black folk hanging out. I had me a hot dog and a burger and some corn. The corn was good, and folks are slowly coming in. I want some beers. I might actually head down to the OXXO Those are not beers. I passed an OXXO on the way, which is also a mark of something that I look for. How close is it to convenience stores? Because my mom, my parents, they do not drive. So can they walk to get something if they want? She just want, my video. So that's a consideration for me as well. Can you, and it's gonna be a consideration for most people. Can you walk to the grocery store? Can you walk to all your conveniences? This is kind of far. I think if you're coming to live out in Concal, you're gonna want a car. I'm leaving that in the video. But I'm gonna go swing on the swing set right now like a big kid and enjoy myself. By the way, I do want to say thank you to all of you who have left comments just telling me, giving me tips on how I can make these videos better. So now I am using what is this called? I am using a gimbal now. I've had this gimbal for a few months, but it's just never at top of mind to carry it around so that I can capture videos. So I'm going to be better at that. I also do have a mic, which I do not have. Like, I'm just used to kind of rushing out of the house, but guess what? We are monetized now thanks to you guys. You guys really like the videos and the content that I'm bringing. So thank you for telling me how I can make the videos better. So hopefully this video is not as shaky, and I will work on making sure that the audio is all on one level so you guys can enjoy it more. Thank you. I really do like the comments that you guys leave, and the questions too. If you have any ideas on videos that I can do for y'all, let me know. I appreciate it, guys. This barbecue was put on by the Black Merida crew. They are on Facebook and Instagram. So if you are, interested in meeting up with Black folk here in Merida, then you can look them up. They host events every month. They had girls' night, ladies' night at the restaurant. They had, I remember they had like a fight night. They met up to watch one of the boxing matches recently. They meet up at restaurants very often. They have activities for the ladies, and I know the guys met up at either what's that now? Paintball situation, and they rode ATVs and they did a bunch of things. So they have activities every month. You can join the Facebook group and look out for all of their activities. I know they went bowling recently as well. So that's a good vibe. It's lovely to come down here and meet other folk, especially if you are an African American. It's lovely to come down here and just meet up with your kinfolk and have a good time, especially as a newcomer to Merida. So we left, everybody was playing and having a good time after the food. There were some line dancing happened and all of that, but Munchkin and I, we had some shopping to do because another group here, the Merida Teens Club, which I have been just so grateful for, their spring formal was the next day, and Munchkin and I went to do dress shopping, get her sandals, get her accessories, get all the things together. So have you seen a Sears? Is there a Sears that's open near you? Sears is still alive and well here in Mexico, and that's where we went to kind of check out the dress situation. There was so many to choose from. So you're going to see Munchkin try on a few of the dresses for her spring formal. And let's see, you have to wait and stay till the end of the video to see which one she chose. But of course she came out in this first one and she never took off the sports bra that she had on, and I'm just like, girl, what are you doing? But enjoy the clips of her trying on the rest of her dresses, and you'll see the one she chose at the end. By the way, I should mention that the dress that she chose is not from Sears. Big up Vertice. Remember in my last video when we were downtown doing some shopping in Central? Yes, we found a dress at Vertice and it was very affordable because all of the Sears dresses were like 75 USD and above, but we found one for like 25 bucks at Vertice and it was adorable. You have to wait to see it. Guys, we've stumbled upon something looking like a flea market or a bazaar. I have no idea. I was just passing. I saw all the shops and I said, I gotta stop. Why wouldn't I stop? I'm about to hit up some street food for sure. So we thought we stumbled upon something cool. Unfortunately, they're only selling shoes. It's like a shoe bazaar. And you know, we're kind of gentle giants here in Mexico. My mom is short. They would have her size, but her feet are wide. So my feet are way too long, her feet are too wide. They're not gonna have sizes for us at something like this. They barely have our sizes in stores here. I wear a 9, so that is hard to come by in stores here. My daughter, she's taller than me, she wears a 10. Although we did find sandals for her spring formal. And it was size 26 in Mexican sizes, which is like a 9, but it's actually big for her. So, you know, don't buy online here. You gotta just try on things. Okay, we're wrapping up the video, guys. One last thing here. I took my parents to P.F. Chang's in the mall. So I dropped Munchkin off to her spring formal. Wait for it. You're going to see that clip coming up right after this clip. But yeah, we went to P.F. Chang's. Another thing I was craving here is just some good mall Chinese. And it hit the spot. I had some chicken lau mein, some honey chicken, and some spicy shrimp and noodle dish. And it was absolutely delicious. It was exactly what I was craving. The bill for that appetizer, that shrimp appetizer, these 3 dishes plus 3 drinks was 11.74 pesos, or around 65-66 USD, and of course I left a nice little tip. So not bad for my mall Chinese dishes. And then look at this. This is what the malls look like in Merida for sure. Children are always playing in the malls. It's like a big thing here to come and, you know, have fun at the mall for the families. And I kind of dig it because outside hot, so I like that they have the playgrounds in the mall. So here we are at Caruso. Remember I mentioned that store that I was going to take my mom at the beginning of the video. I had purchased a pair of shorts there. I just love the aesthetic. It's lots of cottons, lots of linens. Everything is like capsule wardrobe. Isn't it nice? My father cracked a joke, say, you know, you must find somebody in what you have on, because there's a lot of pieces that are very the same. But I love the store. Anyway, drum roll please. Look at my princess. Aww. My baby girl's first formal. Thank you so much to the Merida Teens Club. Make sure you join if you're coming to Merida with a teen. Hair by mom, nails by mom, makeup by mom, everything by mom. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next Merida vlog. Leave any comments or questions down below. Ciao!